Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you if you're getting this error message while you type curl command. If you're getting this error message, curl is not recognized as an internal or external command. If you're getting this error message, then I will show you how to fix it. So just open your location, your C drive, and then search for the folder Windows. Go to this folder and just search for the folder System32 where all your operating system files are located. And right inside this folder, guys, if you open the terminal, type the same command, you will see the command will work because curl is basically part of the operating system. It comes with the Microsoft Windows system. So it is located inside this. So what you need to do, you need to register it globally. So just copy this location, right click copy, and then to register it we will add this inside our environment variable. So just go to your environment variable, system variable, just go to the path here and just click the edit button, add this new entry, paste this path, C Windows System32. So after making this change, now you will be able to use globally the curl command. Just type restart the terminal, just type curl, and now you will see the curl command will perfectly work. You can see it prints out the version of curl which is installed 8.10.1 Windows. So in this way guys, you can fix this error message and start using curl. Also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.